The snoring elephant. Eddie the elephant was the biggest, kindest elephant in the jungle, but he had one little problem. He snored. Not just a little snore. A big, rumbling, tree-shaking snore that echoed through the jungle. "Oh dear," sighed the monkeys. "We can't sleep." "What should we do?" whispered the parrots. The animals tried everything. The rabbits made earplugs out of leaves, the giraffes hummed lullabies, the lions counted stars, but nothing could stop Eddie's loud, thunderous snoring. Even Eddie felt bad. "I don't mean to keep everyone awake," he mumbled sadly. Then Wise Owl had an idea. "Instead of trying to stop Eddie, let's make his snoring part of our lullaby." The crickets chirped in time with his snores, the frogs croaked softly in rhythm, fireflies blinked to the beat. Soon, the jungle was filled with a soft, snoring symphony, and one by one all the animals began to relax. Even Eddie smiled. "My snoring is like a bedtime song," he thought happily, and before he knew it, zzz, Eddie drifted into the best sleep he'd ever had, knowing he was part of the jungle's special nighttime melody. The end.